Want to design a logo that looks totally professional? Here's the 5-step method that designers swear by. Step 1. You have to know the brand. What's the vibe? Is it bold and powerful? Is it minimal and clean? Or is it playful and fun? Your design absolutely has to match that energy. Step 2. Grab some inspiration. Look at color palettes, cool icons, and even your competitors to see what they're doing. Anything that sparks creative ideas is fair game. Step 3. Sketch out quick concepts. Seriously, don't overthink this part. Just draw shapes, symbols, or initials. Let all of your ideas flow onto the page. Step 4. Choose your colors and fonts. A good rule of thumb is 2 main colors and 1 really clean font. The goal is to keep it simple and memorable. Step 5. Bring it all to life. Use a tool like Canva, Illustrator, or Figma. Adjust the spacing, balance the shapes, and polish it up until it's perfect. And boom! Brand vibe to inspo, to sketches, to colors, to the final design. Follow this process and your logo will look insane. Thanks for watching.